KwaZulu-Natal MEC of Cooperative Governance and Traditional has warned the residents in the province to be cautious as heavy rains poses a significant risk of widespread flooding. 20 people have died over the past 2 months. The affected areas are uThukela, Herigwala, Ugu, Umzinyathi, Amajuba, and Umgubundlovu. The MEC urged residents who lived in low areas or near riverbanks to look for shelters on higher grounds.
Due to the slippery conditions, as a province, we are deeply concerned about the potential impact of these severe thunderstorms and associated flooding. The province, unfortunately, has already experienced tragic loss of life due to the recent severe weather. The safety of our communities is our utmost priority.
Residents are concerned with the situation as many families are dislocated, lost family members. The MEC has urged people to avoid unnecessary travels as the province still expects heavy rains and some areas are declared at level 4.
Than to only come in to take care of those who have lost their lives. And the council that has to deal with climate change is being finalized. We are working with the academias. We are working with the research information.
Kulesi simo esenzeke laphana kunabantu abangamabhedwini okumele bebhekelele imindeni yabo ukuze ukwazi ukuthi iphile, ukwazi ukuvisa imizi yabo, ukwazi bakhe ikusasa lezinye iy'ngane zibekele phambili, yabona. So ibuhlungu kakhulu lento eyenzeke laphana, yabona. Ngowami umbono bengibona ukuthi mhlawumbe-ke uhulumeni ubengangenelela lapho ukuthi akwazi ukusiza laba abalahlekelwe, abanikeze iy'ndawo zokuhlala.
20 people died due to heavy rainfall in KwaZulu-Natal in the past 2 months. The MEC in the province urged residents to be cautious and to avoid unnecessary travels. Residents who stay in low-lying areas near riverbanks to seek shelter in the higher areas. Nelly Swamqina, TUT News, Social Media.